Are you in the market for a medicine cabinet, but you don't want one of those big bulky ones that sit on the wall? Well, look no further. This one is a recessed, modern, black frame medicine cabinet that I just installed in my renovation, and I couldn't be happier with it. The size, the material, how it was packed was perfect. Now, as you can see, it has a black modern frame that outlines the mirror. The mirror is large enough so that way in a smaller bathroom, you have more of enough space to see what you're looking at. And of course, when you open it up, let me bring you around. Now you have 3 separate areas behind here to store stuff in. And then right here is your magnet, which then will connect when you close it to the metal frame, and it'll keep it shut. Overall, I am completely satisfied with this medicine cabinet. If you're in the market for one, go out and grab this one. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.